Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome to Alex Builds. We have now got issue 83 of Hachette Partworks Build the Terminator. Okay, so issue 83 is a really quick and easy one. Let me show you, because we've not got that much to do in this one, so it should be quite a quick video. So these are the parts we get right here, and as you can see, there's not much to do. We're just doing another finger, and yeah, let me show you exactly in the magazine what we're doing. So basically, as I said, we're just assembling a finger, and we're actually going to attach that onto the palm itself. So we should have, by the end of this issue, all 4 fingers. So this one gets attached. We've got all 4 fingers. We've just got a thumb left to go, but we're also attaching these 3 ball joints onto the bottom of the palm, and they're going to be for the 3 piston parts that are going to be put on in a later stage. And coming up in the next issue, we complete the hand by doing the thumb. So yep, so we're coming to the end of doing the fingers. We've just got this one to do. This is the last finger, and then we've got a thumb to do. So yeah, we're getting close to the end of the hand now. So let's get the parts open and start building. Okay, so we've got all the parts for our finger. Here they are, all lined up in a row. This is the way you want them. So you want the fingertip this end, then the part with the shorter gap, then the longer gap, then the part that attaches to the knuckle. We also need to take out of here our fingertip. So let's take that out. Slide that one out. So that's that. That's going to go on the end there. I'm not going to use the sleeves again and the pins, so we can move them to the side. We'll come to the ball joints in a minute and the screws. So we do need our Mods replacement finger joints, so we're going to use them again for the penultimate time. So let's get this out. Get a little dollop of glue on this little tray here, and we'll start assembling our fingers. Let's grab a cocktail stick. We'll start off by getting these Mods finger joints all ready and to go. I'm just going to start off by putting a little dab of glue in the gold bit and screwing that up. I'm going to do that for each part that we're going to use. Okay, so I've done that. I've assembled 3 so far. So what we've got to do is we're going to start from this end. Let's start with the knuckle end, and we're going to basically just start feeding these through. So we've got the first one. Slide that in, just like so. 2 washers over the top. So 1 and 2. And get our knuckle part. Slide that on. And we can take another screw, drop that into there, take our Allen key and screw that joint together. That's that one in. Let's go to the next one. Underneath. Two more washers. Another screw. And the last one, we're going to do exactly the same yet again. So slide that one in there. 2 more washers. The next part over the top, another screw, and then just nip them up, making sure they're tight. Don't over tighten them, but just nip them up just like so. Now we're going to put some glue around this edge here and on the inside of here to glue our fingertip on. So let's put some glue on the actual fingertip first. All the way in. And around here as well. Let's do around here. Alright, let's get our fingertip and push it onto the end. There we are, we've assembled our final finger. So now we need to attach this to the actual palm itself. So assembling this to the palm is the same process, just minus the 2 washers. So let's get this in. Some glue in this part. Screw it home. And we can take our finger and the screw part. We can line that underneath there. So I'm just going to push this through first, make it easier to hold. So push that through, put my finger underneath it, and then we can lock this together. So let's drop that screw in the top, grab our Allen key, nice and tight. I'm just going to tighten these up because I knocked these loose when I did it. Okay, so now we're going to start attaching these ball joint parts. So let's grab a screw on a screwdriver, grab one of these ball joints, and we're going to go in the top here. So let's drop that in, grab a screw, and start screwing that into there. There we go, that's the first one. Let's grab the second one. I'm going to go straight in the middle with this one. That's that one. The final one is going to go on this end here. And hold it down. And there we are. That is the palm with all our fingers on and the 3 ball joints on there. So that is it, guys. That is all there is to do in issue 83. So it was quick and easy. And yeah, so the hand is basically ready to go on to the, get assembled onto the palm next. So hopefully that'll be in a couple of issues time, and then we can move on to the leg. So if you like this video, guys, please leave a like down below. And if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. And we'll see you all next time. Take care. Bye-bye.